Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a payment link on Whop. To get started, open your Whop dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your business tools, products, and sales settings. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or business account before moving forward. That helps avoid creating the link in the wrong place, especially if you manage more than one brand or offer. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Checkout Links. This section is where Whop lets you create and manage direct payment or checkout links that you can share with customers. These links are useful when you want to send someone straight to a purchase page without making them browse through your full store or product catalog. After that, move to the top right corner of the page and click Create Checkout Link. This will open the setup page where you can configure the payment link. At this stage, Whop will ask for the details needed to build the checkout experience. Now enter the required details. Fill in the information carefully, making sure everything matches the product, offer, or payment setup you want customers to see. This is an important step because the details you enter here directly affect what your customer sees when they open the link. It's a good idea to double-check your entries for accuracy before continuing, especially things like the selected product, pricing-related fields, or any visible descriptions. Taking an extra few seconds here can help prevent confusion later and create a smoother checkout experience for your customers. Once you've finished entering the necessary information, click Create Checkout Link. Whop will then generate the payment link for you. After it's created, you can use that link wherever it makes the most sense for your business, such as in direct messages, email campaigns, social media, or other customer touchpoints. And that's it. You've successfully created a payment link on Whop. As a final tip, it's always smart to review the finished link after creation so you know exactly what your customer will experience when they open it. That quick check can help you confirm that everything looks correct and is ready to share. Thanks for following along, and we hope this walkthrough made the process simple and clear.